Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just doing a quick get ready with me guys and just kind of doing a life update. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off with some imanileemariee. This is her moisturizing balm. I like to use this. I've been using this as of recently just to hydrate the skin and prep. It's such a good, nice prep moisturizer. So if you are open to a new moisturizer, try this one out. Now I'm going in with some primer. You guys know this primer, so I'm gonna let you guys just watch. But yes, this is a quick life update, guys. So you guys have seen my post. I am pregnant. Yes, pregnant. You guys know my story. I do have both of my past losses posted here on my channel, so those of you who've been following me for a while have known that I have gone through 2 losses. So this is considered my rainbow baby and whatnot. So I'm actually super excited, guys, to just venture into this new chapter of life, becoming a mommy. Something I've always wanted for myself. With the loss of 2 already, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've honestly felt, you know, maybe it isn't destined for me. But to be here today, pregnant, super grateful, and I have nobody to thank other than God. You guys can see how God has been just continuously blessing me with my channel, with my engagement, now with a beautiful baby boy on the way, guys. So I'm having a boy. But yeah, guys, life has been lifing, and you can see I have a new setup here as well. I did move just in preparation for my little one, so I'm not in my studio. I'm currently just doing my makeup in the bathroom, and I'm kind of going back and forth with my life update and my makeup, guys. So you can see here I'm doing just some concealer and just spot correcting just anywhere on my skin that has any discoloration. I just took that L'Oreal concealer to spot correct. Everything I use will be in the description box below, guys. But yeah, so we're just doing spot correcting here. But back to my life update. So I did move, so I'm currently just in my bathroom here doing my makeup. I don't even have all my makeup here either, so I'm kind of just winging it, doing a really natural face today. But I moved and I'm getting just prepared for baby boy to come. Just a lot is going on, guys, which explains the upload schedule and me not being consistent. I know it's been hard, guys. I've been trying to just be consistent and just create content for you guys, because at the end of the day, we are all family. I really want to see how I can change this channel around in terms of mommy content, makeup, lifestyle. So if you guys have any suggestions, I'd love to hear it in the comment section below. But yeah, this is my life update, guys. I'm pregnant after how many years? I'm super excited for this chapter. God has just been showing out for me. Those of you who've been calling it, you guys have been, guys, you don't know how hard it has been for me to just like not answer those comments. Like, some of you guys were just spot on. You guys can see my skin changes, my neck got dark. Oh my gosh. For the most part, my pregnancy was pretty smooth. Like, it was pretty smooth, especially for the first trimester. I haven't had much issues. I know a lot of people go through a lot during pregnancy, but for the most part, I think what I dealt with was just my skin changing because of hormones and whatnot, which made it really hard for me to even want to film some days, guys. Not gonna lie, I honestly did not feel the cutest, or like I just felt like I shouldn't be putting makeup on my skin. So I don't know. I really tried for you guys. But yeah, that is like pretty much a life update, guys. Pregnant, waiting for baby boy to arrive. I'm just gonna really be transparent, guys. I'm gonna try and upload as much as possible. I really do want to do something new with my channel, but I do want to keep makeup content. Makeup will always be a part of this channel, so that will not go away. But I do want to get into the mommy lifestyle and just all of that stuff. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Leave any ideas that you guys have or want to see from me next. But yeah, that's about it. We did a cute face here, no foundation. Love how it came out. Honestly, it's giving very natural. But yeah, that is about it. Please keep up with my uploads. I have many videos to watch, guys, but that is about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.